Hello, I am Kerr. I really like this ball of rope. There's a ball connected to it. I like sitting down and dropping it.
It is really
Who is that? Who is that? Hey, Julian. Where do you go?
Can you give me your phone?
Huh? Hey, shut up. I'm trying to talk to them. I'm just gonna go inside here. Bye. No. What's back here? Oh, let's check. Yes, none. Okay, hey Jacob!
Mama.
Why did you just say bubbles, Jacob? You're stupid, Jacob. Dirk, come on. I really like chewing this and going fast. Yeah. I'm just gonna lay down here. It got that. Okay. I'm bored now. Hey. Squirrel! Squirrel! There! Squirrel! 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 Squirrel over there. Squirrel. I'm too lazy. I'm rub my belly. No.